Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to see trending search on your Google. I will show you on desktop and I will show you on my Android phone. So, in order to find trending search, we have to make some settings in your device. So, I will show you. So, guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So, guys, first we start with the desktop. Then I will show in my Android phone. So, first let's go on my desktop screen. So guys, here you can see I'm on my desktop and just I'm into my Google account. On my Google account I just log in, and now you have to go in settings. In bottom side, in left side, in bottom you can see the setting option. Now you have to go in search setting. In search setting you will see the search setting, and here you have to turn on your trending search. Okay, if it's tick like do not show popular search, you can tick show the popular search and just save it. So your trending search will be saved and it will be shown in your Google. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button. I will show in my Android phone also. Let's go on my Android phone. Okay, so let's go on my Android phone. So my Android, we are on my Android phone, and just I'm going to open the Google app. First you need to update your Google app, and after update just open it. And if I go into search bar, and if you see there is a no trending search will appear here, but if I done some setting it will be appear here. So what is the setting? Just go to in the profile photo and go to the settings. In setting you have to find general, and here you can see auto complete with trending search. Click on it and on it if it is off in your phone, and just come back and just relaunch your Google application. And you can see if I search, click on search, I will see trending search here. It will take time. Okay, I have to close this first. Okay, then I have to click again. We can see trending search appearing here. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.